We're here for leg day. It is currently 7:34. Our intro song to the gym today, Another Life by Motionless in White. I don't reserve rights to any of the music. I gotta say that. We're here at the magnificent 4th Avenue gym. So, it's been a great day today. We had a luncheon at work. I ate 4 hot dogs, some light. Could have ate more, but I had to make sure everybody else ate too. Got home, played the game with the boys. After that, came here. So, what can I say? Besides, life's been pretty fucking good today. Now it's Friday. I hope that y'all's have a great weekend. If this video goes up on a weekend, shit. And great day, great rest of your day, great start to your day, whether what time you want to watch this video at. Have a great workout, fucking rest day, whatever, dude. I will see you in the gym. Let's get it. All right. So we are here at our hack work. Other one set right before this. So let's get we're doing 3 sets of 8 today. So let's go. Final set. Final set. Let's get this fucking shit. Oh yeah. What are we doing now? It's been a while since I've been on here. For no real legitimate reason. It's just been a while. We are gonna do this. We're gonna try to lean forwards while we're doing these. So you get that preemptive stretch on the hamstrings. Like Mr. Sam Sulek showed Mike Israetel, who showed Jesse James West. So let's get this shit fucking going. Sure. Ready? Hold on. You know what? Hold on. Hold on. Let's start here first. Ah. Oh my God. Ouchie. The Trent twins are just rich piano that got cut into 2 people. That's who those motherfuckers are. Yeah. I think that was 12. Either way, first set done. Next set. I want to be huge, but what are you gonna do to get there? A lot of people don't do what it takes. A lot of people have mediocre results because they have mediocre effort, but that shit's gotta change. So what do you really want to do to get to where you want to go? How much effort do you want to put in? So you think about that as well as I will too. So let's get this next set going. Come on. We're on to our final set here. Like I just said before, put in what you want to get out. When you put in 90, you'll get out 90. You put in 30, you get out 30. But you put in 100, and you will get out 100. Right now I'm probably putting in about 90. Let's go. Now we gotta do these shits. Let's get it. Let's go. Ready? Ready. Oh my goodness, my hamstrings. Whew. What's next? What are we doing right now, Ignacio?
A little bit of leg extensions.
Little bit of leg extensions? Yeah, brother. But I ain't doing them at 190.
You say, brother?
That shit a little too heavy for me. Back. Whew. God damn, brother. Motherfucker. I'm alright. My friend just left me. He went over there to the leg press. It's okay. Because we still here. We're gonna think 1 or 2 more sets. Let's go. Let's go. Time to lock in here, y'all. Oosh. We want good sized legs to have good sized legs. What the fuck? Renee? Hold on. Yes? What? I'm at the gym. There's Ignacio. He can't hear you. Okay. That was my homie. Let's go. Ooh. Ouchie. I don't want to get up right now. If I get up, I might fall. So we're going to sit here and contemplate life decisions. One more. Now. God dang. Am I tired? Yes. Is it starting to get late? Yes. Am I gonna stop yet? No. What did I learn today? Oh, I learned something new today. I learned that insulin actually helps boost muscle growth due to the fact that when somebody's diabetic or something, obviously they have insulin resistance, right? But if somebody was like, quote unquote blasting, and they're doing insulin as well, they would how do I put it? They due to the increased insulin inside of their body, it allows their body to store more glycogen, sugars in their muscles to allow for better boost in the gym. You get what I'm saying? That's what I've learned recently today. So yeah, a little piece of information for you. It's just something I've learned today. I don't know if you know it or not, but I've learned it. So I thought I'd share that information with you. Trusting in all that you guys have made it this far. I need to breathe. Let's go. Gotta breathe before you set so that we fill your blood up with oxygen. Let's go, ready? Set. Oh, fuck. What's next? We had 2 sets of this, but I already did one off camera. This was our second set, so I'm sorry I didn't film it for you. We gonna get this motherfucker going to finish off on some calf raises. Get the fuck out of here. Last workout. 1 set. That's all we're doing. 1 set of what I would call for me some heavy ass motherfucking calf raises. Let's see if we get this up here. One set, like I said, of some heavy ass motherfucking calf raises. You don't need to do, well, you guys are wonky. You don't need to do the full stack like me. What you can do is whatever weight you feel is adequate to you. Who knows? This could be too heavy for me right now because my legs are fried. So I might have to move down, but we gonna find out. Before this, we are gonna sit here and stretch the legs out just a little bit. And get it going. 3, 2. Yep, definitely too heavy right now. One set of heavy ass motherfucking calf raises. Hold it. Ow. Ouchie. Yeah, that's all. Like I said. Let's see. Yeah, my calves are burnt out. Come here, you. Let's get in that fucking room for a pose down. There we go. We back into the locker room of pumps. Post leg day. So yeah, I brought my flower shorts out today. With the noodle legs. Oh my God. My legs are too sore to be doing any of this. Yeah. But that's the end of our leg day. I'll see you in the next one. So always remember, let's get better. Let's get swole together. I'll see you in the next one.